Look at Fartcoin. If you caught yesterday's video, we talked about a move down. All right, let me zoom in here and let's go over that. Okay, it ended up working out exactly like we had planned to a T. Right, we had 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. All right, we said that would find support right around 99 cents to $1. Look at that, right on $1, 1.00686. Okay, I entered a long position right here. A lot of people over in our Discord also did. If you're interested in joining us, I'm up almost what about 3.5x just in this move right here. I took a 50x on this. I know a lot of people are against high leverage. But when I have an entry that I know that more likely is going to stop there, my stop loss was at 99 cents. So my stop loss was right about there, right about here. Okay, just right below there. So if I missed it, what was I going to lose? I had a couple $100 on this trade. What was I going to be out? 30, 40, 50 bucks, something like that. And in return, on a 50x, I'm looking at this thing possibly heading up into here. All right, so could take that $200 and turn that into a couple $1,000. All right, to give you an idea, let's take a look here. If you want to sign up, guys, sign up for a level 3 membership. It's only $15. All right, you would have made that back already just off this one trade. Okay, this move from here up to here, if it goes up there, okay, on a 10x would be 400%. So 4, 8, 12, 16, 2000. 2,400%. I'm looking at 24x in my money. 24x in my money. $2,000, $200, turning that into what, 4,800. Yeah, that's a nice payday, right? It's crazy. That's the type of money you can make on leverage. You can lose it real fast though too if you're not careful. You got to get good entries. I preach that, good entries. I knew by the this is how I knew it was going to stop there, right? Okay, you have 5 waves down, and I teach this. So if you get the level 3 membership, you get 10 hours of videos to learn how to do this, what I'm going to show you right here. To get a target for the 5th wave, you use a Fibonacci, you pull it up to the top. All right, there's your target, 1.00845. all right, that's what I went for. I think I got in at $1.01. It bounced up just a little bit by the time I got my entry. So that's how I had a really good idea. That's where it was stopping. And sure enough, not only that is on a very good support level. Was it the 12-hour support through here? Yeah, it's a 12-hour support also. So very, very good area to grab it, and that's what happened. And you can see now this thing is up at $1.08, so I'm up over 300% right now. Turning $200 into over 4,000. That's a very good return, right? Even if I cashed out right now, if I just close this trade out, I'd make $600, $600 in profit over 200. Just this little move right here. So we have a lot of people over there jumped on it, which I'm glad they did. It sucks when I make a call and it's wrong. I've missed the last 2. Not today. That was yesterday and the day before. Today I think we had 2 or 3 good ones. But they don't all work out. So if it's something that interests you, sign up for it. And there's also a link for Weeks in the description of the video. We use that site for leverage trading. Even if you don't sign up for the membership, but check out Weeks if you like the leverage trade. It's free to sign up, no KYC, bunch of sign-on bonus stuff. Would love to have you check it out. So Fartcoin has it bounced. It held support right where we were looking. Okay, off yesterday's video, that's the target we had. That's what we got. We're going to look at some price targets here in just 1 second. I want to show you something because Bitcoin is bouncing nicely. And look at this. This is the last hour in the market. Fartcoin up 2.1. Bitcoin Cash, Fetch, Curve. Look at all this. What is it? This is the top 100. What do we have? 90. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 94 green. 94% out of the top 100 are green. Because Bitcoin bouncing like it is. I mean, it is just. We took a turbo short today too. Got in right up here. Wrote it down here and got out. Was looking for one more wave down, and it still might get it. It broke resistance right here, but it can still very easily push down for that fifth wave. It's what I was looking at on this. I didn't get in there long, but there was people over there that, I said it broke resistance. It could push up, but just hard to tell. It really is. You got the 1 hour pushing up on it, but anyway, Bitcoin. Me personally, I wouldn't have took that turbo trade. I mean, it's a good possibility it might run up to here. But it's just hard to say. I don't like taking a trade unless I have a really. I looked it over really good first. Just makes me nervous, especially when I'm risking real money. Bitcoin. Here we go. This is my chart here. Let me look at this move. All right, finally, we didn't get a fake out today, right? I mean, this thing, last couple of days has been brutal with its fake outs. They get very, very frustrating. But there's the break of resistance, and it's already up to a 702. All right, looking for this to make it up towards that 100,000 area. This is a wave 3 it's working on now. On in 1 hour, you can see 1, 2, working on wave 3 now. All right, hard to say. Maybe it makes it up here, fourth wave back, fifth wave up. Fourth might not be that deep, but the deeper the fourth wave comes back, the better. That means the higher the fifth wave is going to go. So that's never a bad thing. All right, but you can see now Bitcoin is right up at that 702. Looking to make a push through, man. Our target is up here around 100 on it, so it is looking very good. Fartcoin, the targets for it. All right, a break of this resistance here, that would be taking out roughly $1.15. All right, if it takes out $1.15, I am very confident that the bottom is in. Okay, now price targets. Now that it looks like we have hit a bottom. All right, the first target is going to be right up here, right about $1.18. Okay, that's your 618. All right, now if it makes it through there, and the next target up would be $1.44 to $1.46. That would be my next area. Okay, quite honestly, I think it's probably heading up towards this zone. You have this resistance line, it's pulling out through here, right about there, which it's probably going to take back in here and work its way up. That's what I'm shooting for, is right up here for my long. Don't get me wrong, I'd be happy up to here. That's probably a 7 or 8x. I'd be happy at that point. But $1.18 is your first target. $1.44 to $1.45. If it makes it through $1.21, then look further up here. All right. Thank you so much, guys. Please hit that like and subscribe. Come join us in Discord. Come make this money. When Bitcoin dominance starts crashing, you're gonna wish you did. I'm telling you, it's great trading with a group of people, especially the group we have. Have a great day, everybody.